So on this day, you're walking just, elegantly on the streets, wearing two-piece. But to your surprise, somebody complimented you. They said, "Oh, I like your jumpsuit." What do you say? "Oh, thank you." I mean, you don't need no explanation, right? I've got that so many times, and it's because the two-piece, I dress it like a jumpsuit. And today, in today's video, I'm going to give you those tricks and tips on how to make your outfit look in such a way that you get people confused. All right, in a good way. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you this is how you can recreate a fashion design right from your closet. You don't need to go purchase anything new. Everything you own in your closet already, you can put them together to get all these outfits that I'm going to be presenting today. You all know that on this channel, I am all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So how about we start with the first one that I mentioned at the beginning of this video, which is jumpsuit. All you need in this particular one is to get you a two-piece, probably in the same color, because that will give you the seamless look that you're going for, and you're all going to see it in this video. So in this video, I'm going to be pairing this waistcoat. All right, this is from I'm not going to mention brand so as not to prolong the matter, because that's not the point why we are here. So I like to jump into the reason why we are here. All right, so this is a two-piece. The top is a waistcoat, and it's a pants, and they are all black. So I mashed it up together. And in order to conceal the middle of it, where you won't be able to see the breaking point of it, where you can actually dictate that this is a pants and this is a separate top mashed together, you will have the belt in the middle. That was what I did exactly in this video. I mashed the belt. You could use a big belt, you could use a smaller belt, depending on your preference and how you want to conceal that area. Because mind you, if you're talking only, people can actually see the breaking point. You get what I mean? So this is the first way to create that effect on people and make them think that you're wearing a jumpsuit. Meanwhile, it's a two-piece. Remember, stay within the same family color and you will give them that, "Oh, I like your jumpsuit." Meanwhile, you're wearing a two-piece. Have you ever browsed through websites online and you see this kind of outfits that you see a shirt with a tube top and a pants, and you're thinking, "Oh, I need to get that"? You do not need to get that, except if you need it. I am the type, I'm not going to go rushing to buy something except I need it. So I'm going to show you how you can actually get that effect without you purchasing another thing. You can bring out things that you own in your closet already. So in the next one, you're going to use your pants. Of course, I'm using a black pants here because I want everything to just go seamlessly. I'm going to add a shirt to it and also the tube top and recreate that look. I know you have seen this look before on Shein. Most time I see it on Shein and some other websites online, and this is how you can create this look without purchasing another thing in the store, except you need it. For the third outfit, it's going to lead us from the second one to the third one, and the reason why I said so is because we're using a piece from the second one into the third one, which is the white shirt. In this case, you have seen the situation where they style a shirt with a tube denim and a denim pants. All you have to do is to match the tube denim top with the denim pants that you have at home. They might not be as close as just like what I have on. They might not be as close as it, but they're very, very close. And the shirt under it, and you create that look. There's no point rushing out there just to get that design just because you saw it on Shein or any other website, when you can actually recreate it from your closet. Ladies, before I move on this video, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, do not forget to subscribe, and please turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do endeavor to leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and please do share with friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they'll find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell. So this is another one that I've seen in so many websites online. You do not need to rush to the store to go buy this or run online to go and purchase this as well. You see this blazer with a white pants matching together. You could do with any color that you have. If you're a lover of blazer, you have different colors of blazer in your closet, you can actually recreate this. All you have to do is to get a matching bottom that will go with the blazer, so they will look like they are purchased together. What I did here is I took a short that I had in my closet before and a blazer that I had. Luckily they kind of look alike, then I match it together. You look like this body bossy kind of a lady. That's the effect you're going for. But I do not want, most time ladies wear it without anything on there. So, but in this case, I'm wearing a tube top under it, you know, just to cover a little bit more. That's the way I like to dress. I am not judging you. If you would like to wear yours without anything on there, go for it. Fashion is you expressing yourself. You don't have to be me. You have to be unapologetically you. The next one is what I call hack of life. Like, this one will really save you a lot of money. Yes. When you have a dress in your closet already and you feel like that dress is just too short for the occasion that you're going to, I'm going to show you how you can actually, if that is the dress you want to wear to that event and you think that it's not going to fit into that occasion and you don't want to go buy something else, all you have to do is look in your closet for a bigger skirt. Or in this case, I do not have any skirts that I would love to use, but what I'm doing now, what I said, the reason why I call this hack of life is because I'm going to use a tube dress as a skirt to elongate this particular short, because the dress is very short and I want to make it look like it will blend into the tube dress and make it look more sophisticated to fit into that event that I want to go for, without sewing or without panicking or rushing out there to go buy a new dress.
Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut.
Another way that you can recreate this kind of style or design from your closet, like you already have a jumpsuit in your closet. I believe most of us, we have this in our closets, and you want to wear it as a pants. I always like my outfit to match. That's the reason why I'm using a blue, you know, I pick a pattern from the jumpsuit to style it as part of my top so that it can blend seamlessly. It depending on you how you want to, but how you want to style yours. But the bottom line, the key points from this styling is turning your jumpsuit that you own in your closet already into a pant to style another outfit entirely. And the last one is what I believe that some of my ladies might not really want it or want to do that, and the reason is because it's going to give you this bodycon kind of silhouette. In this case, I'm going to be using a tube dress. I'm going to style it as like a bodycon dress, like they are together, that they made is a style designed that way. Also, I'm going to style it as a skirt. Those are the way you can actually get the value for your money. Like, really, you do not need to run out there to go purchase a new clothes, except you need it.
Turn into disgust, what a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a love bomb. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a love bomb. Really wish you didn't push me away.
Alright my ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.